So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video, as you can see on the screen, we are going to have a tutorial on the Miro board software that I just talked to you about in the last video, that how am I using it in my research thesis. So this is a beginner's guide to Miro board. So first of all the tools that you have is on default, that is the mouse option that is used to select, and second is the pan option that is used to pan, of course. So these things you can do it right away from your mouse also, by just using the cursor or the right mouse button. The next over here is the template. So you can see the Miro board is loaded with n numbers of free templates that is created by Miro themselves also, and there are many creators also that creates customizable templates that you can use on your Miro board. So there are also by use case, like you want to use the Miro board for meeting and workshop, then it will have a different template which is right over here. If you want to use it for ideation and brainstorming, then it is right over here that you can use. There are like many boards that are created by Miro itself. You can see it right over here. And there are very less that are made by creators. So Miro board is really into research and development of templates in their software itself. So you can use many customs templates also. As you can see over here, we have an architect's template which has to be if you want to use that, you have to upgrade your plan. So this is basically the templates library that you get in your Miro board. So next on the tools is the text option, which is of course very similar that you use in a Canva or a Word software or a PPT. It is a very simple interface and a very good design of the whole UI UX of the website. You can type anything that you want. Let's say CAD com, right over here, of course. And here you can edit all the fonts that you want. Like Open Sans, they have a lot of text options, which is right over here. Any size that you want till 288. You can make it bold, italic, underline. You can cut it. You can check the alignment. You can add it as a list, like a bullet point. And that also you have four options, which is right over here. You can create a link. You have a text color, you have a highlighter text, you have a color that is for the box. Let's say if I select a green color, then this area will have green color. You can also duplicate the box with the duplicate sign, which is right over here. You can delete the box by delete sign over here. And let's say you have made a flow chart. Okay, so you have made a flow chart like this, you have made a flow chart like this, you have made a flow chart like this, and now you don't want to change it, then you can just select it and lock it up. No one by you mistake, you can never change this. You just have to select and you have to long press to unlock, and now you can edit anything that you want. So that you can do is that this many options of the text command, then it has a very interesting options of a sticky note, and you get a very nice number of colors that you can use for your sticky notes. The most basic used is the yellow color. You can swipe down the size that you want. You can select it, like you can type anything you want, let's say YouTube, and you can duplicate it by just easily just pressing Ctrl C. And it also has the alignment option that we get in PPT, in Word, in Canva, whatever you want. So first of all, this is not a sponsored video, so this is I'm doing for make the community help of designers and make your workflow very easy. Okay, so this is basically how you do it. So next we have n number of shapes that you can draw. Like if you want a box, which is right under this, which is right over here, you can make, then you can make arrows right from it. Like this arrows you can make. You can also change the arrow sizes and everything is possible. You can change the arrowhead. You can change the line type. You want a dash, or you can change the color. You can insert any shape in between it. If you want to write a text on it, then also it is possible. So anything that you want to do on the arrow is of course possible. This is a very good interface. The next is the create freehand drawings. In let's say you are an architect like me and you are doing a mood board for an interior project. So you can just draw it like I want sofa texture right over here, then I want a plant right over here. I want the material list slide over here. And you can do anything that you want. You can also draw arrows from this if you are lazy enough like me to not do everything. So that is a good option that you can do. With mouse, you won't be able to do much as you can see right on the screen. But I have a stencil that I can use on my screen, so that is also good. You if you have a stencil or you're using it on your iPad, then this feature is going to help you a lot. And of course the eraser feature. The next is that the comments box. So let's say you are a comment, so you can add a comment which is right over here. Okay, I'll do it again. Please give silver button. Okay, the spelling is wrong, but I want that button. Okay, so this is how you give a comment. So it will show you that Starboy has given a comment which is right over here. Okay, so it is like that, and you can delete it if it is done. The next is the diagrammic shapes that you get, which are n number. Again, if you can use anything that you want. Let's say you want to use it like this, you can enlarge this, you can have text in between it, and everything you want to do is possible. Next option that we have is of a mind map, so it will start with this. You can add wherever you want, so just type something right over here, it will stay. You can just type something right over here, it will stay. You can make more mind map or whatever you want to create. Anything is possible like this. You can change these arrows as whatever you want. Everything is possible in the Miro board. So that was all, and the last option that is available in the default menu is the frames option, which is very useful if you want to export the board. Let's say you want to expose this board, then you just select the whole frame that you want to export and just press on the export this board option, save as PDF, image, whatever you want. Let's say image, then just select the frame that you have chosen and just press on export, and this will export. Now you can use this image in whatever PPT or anything that you want, and it is that simple. So that was it for the video. Like, this was a tutorial for the beginners who are using the Miro board. If you want any detailed video on any one of the tools, or you want to explore more tools that are available on the Miro board, then let me know down in the comments, and I will make a specific detailed video of it. And thank you for watching, and share it with someone who may need it.